Jai Swaminarayan. Now our last exercise is going on in chapter number 2, that is miscellaneous exercise, and 6th number example is there. We want to find out function is defined from R to R and fx is equal to x square plus 1 plus x square. Means suppose if fx is equal to x plus 2 is, then f of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, means answer is 5. So if I want to write in the way of order pair, then this I can write 3 5. X is 3, value of fx, that is called y. So y is equal to 5. It means here also we have to find out the range. Range means value of y where exists. Okay. So y is equal to, this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. So y is equal to x square 1 plus x square. Okay. This is positive, x square means positive, 1 is positive, x square is again positive. So x square upon 1 plus x square. So this is always greater than or equal to 0 because x belongs to R. If x belongs to R means x is equal to 0, then this term will be 0. Any another minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3, minus 2 square is 4. 4 upon 5 is equal to greater than 0, maybe smaller. Now it is greater than 0, but up to where? For that what we are going to do? Y is equal to x square plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Means y is equal to 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So y is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x square. From 1 I have to subtract any value that is positive value. So y value is always less than 1. Y value is always less than 1. Suppose x is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. X is equal to minus 1. So 1 by 2. So y value is 1/2. So it is always less than 1. And here say it is greater than 0. So range of our function is range of f is equal to range of function 0 to 1, that is like this open interval. Now what they said that fx is given this and order pair are given like this, then we have to find out a and b. So first I will take fx is equal to ax plus b. So if I will take 1 f of 1, that is a into 1 plus b, and answer y coordinate is 1. So ax plus b is equal to 1. So a plus b is equal to 1. I have find out for this order pair. Now again I will take fx is equal to ax. Fx is equal to ax plus b. Here I took order pair 1 1. Here I will take intensely 0 minus 1. So fx value is minus 1, a into 0 plus b. So b is equal to minus 1, which I got. Now this value if I will put here, I will get value of a. So a is equal to 1 minus b. So a is equal to 1 minus minus 1. So a is equal to 1 plus 1. So a is equal to 2. In this way we can find out the value of a and b. Okay, any. Here why I have selected this? Because x coordinate is 0. So this term will be 0. So I will get directly b value. You can take any order pair. but it gives you easiness. Okay, here we have finished 2 examples. Now our 10th example is little bit different. Here A is given, B is given, and some order pair of function is given. But here they have asked f is a relation from A to B or not related. Relation is there, and f is a function or not there, that we have to check. For relation and for function, f is okay or not, that one we want to check. So first of all, what we are going to do here, if A to B is there, means A cross B we have to find out, just for understanding. So that is 1 1, 1 5, 1 9, 1 11, 1 15 and 1 16. Same way 2, 3 and 4. So 2 1, 2 5, 2 9, 2 11, 2 15, 2 16, 3 1, 3 5, 3 9, 3 11, 3 15, 3 16, 4 1, 4 5, 4 9, 4 11, 4 15 and 4 16. This is A cross B. If this order pair, if relation is there, then this should be always subset of A cross B. We are going to check it is subset or not. 1 5, 1 5 is there. 2 9, 2 9 is there. 3 1, 3 1 is there. 4 5, 4 5 is there. And 2 11, 2 11 is there. So function is a subset of A cross B. This order pair are subset of A cross B, means they are in relation. But for function, what we have to check here, we are going to do like this. So that is 1 2 3 4. Second is 1 5 9 11 15 and 16. These are given. Okay, now red marker is not there. Where it is? Yes, it is here. Now 1 5. So 1 5 is here. 2 9, 2 9 is here. 3 1, 3 1 is here. And 4 5. And 2 11, 2 11. Here problem is there. This is not a function. Here 1 is okay, but 2 9 and 2 11 means here function is just behaving like one to many. Okay, because for 2 image is 9 or 11, but for 9 and 11 pre-image is 2. When function is one to many, it behaves like that, then function is not there. If it behaves one to many, many to one is okay. Many to one is okay, but one to many is not approved as a function. Okay, so this is not a function, but they are in relation. Again I am saying function is not there, but it is in relation. Okay, this is our 10th example. In this way we have finished